Hello. Start of a new week. I'm not feeling the best. Also, my hair is fucking crazy. I'm just doing my regular cleaning. I have laundry today. I have a lot of laundry just laying around. I need to put in the fucking laundry basket. I need to change my bed sheets. And these are fresh ones I'm gonna put on now. Oh my god, what happened? Where the fuck is the end? Here, sorry. Sometimes you just get a little aggressive on a Monday morning. If you do that as well, it's okay. Don't feel bad. Let's open the window more. Yes, 3- degrees weather. I need my window open. I have it open 24/7. But now I need it more open. I've been thinking of buying a new camera. It's mostly for my other channel where I'm gonna do vlogs and stuff. Maybe I'll do vlogs here. I'm still unsure if I should just do cleaning on here. Because like I said, I feel like this channel is infected by men. And I can't get rid of them. So I'm just, you know, leaning into it and just doing fucking cleaning videos. But if you want to see more of me, like my daily life, my food, my weight loss journey, my, you know, skincare, fashion, go to my other YouTube channel, Girly Pops, please. Okay. Nope. Where is it? This. I want to go to IKEA. I want IKEA meatballs. Oh, you know how nice that would be right now. Oh, but Mish, I thought you didn't eat meat. Mish, I thought you didn't. Mish. Did you know that there are vegetarian meatballs? I remember in the past when I ordered like burgers and stuff on a vlog, and people were like, I thought you didn't eat meat. Did you know that there's vegetarian burgers? Do you live under a rock? Genuinely. Where do you live? Under a rock? Why do you have spider web? Oh no, that's that's my hair. Also, something I thought about that I fucking hate. This is gonna be like a negativity video. When you've said something, like let's say I said an opinion like 5 years ago or 10 years ago on the internet, and then now like 5-10 years later I say the opposite, and then people are like, oh, but you said you think this and blah blah. Bitch and baby girl, that was like 5-10 years ago. Are you aware that people's opinions can change? Are you aware of that? Especially like compare that to 15 and 25. Do you not think that people's opinions can change? I don't understand. Anyways, like I said, I'm not the best today. Where's my phone? It's right there, sorry. So much laundry here. Okay, I think Nini's toilet in the living room needs changed. I think. We'll see. Let's clean this up first. It's like empty. I'm just gonna sweep in here and pick up some stuff. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go. I'm so sweaty and itchy and thirsty. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, mish.youtube. Bye.